In this video, we are going to replace a power supply. First, remove power from the sign. Open the sign. Locate the power supply to be replaced. Disconnect the AC power wires from the power supply. These are marked by the L, N, and ground symbols. Remove the 5-volt wires from the power supply. The red wires are positive, the black wires are negative. Remove the 4 screws on the right-hand side of the power supply. Remove the faulty power supply and install the new power supply. Secure the power supply to the sign with the 4 screws on the right-hand side. Now connect the 110 volt or 220 volt AC power wires to the power supply. These are marked on the power supply by the L, N, and ground symbols. Make sure they are in the correct locations. The live wire is black. The neutral wire is white for a 110 volt application and red in a 220 volt application. And the ground wire is green. Connect the 5-volt power wires. Remember, the red wires are positive and the black wires are negative. Close the sign. And turn power on.